Hey there, aspiring trainers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this fifth episode, we're going to explore the art of structuring a workshop in a logical and impactful manner, ensuring a smooth flow of information. So, let's get started. As trainers, it's essential to organize our workshops in a way that maximizes learning and engagement. A well-structured workshop not only helps participants grasp the content more effectively but also ensures a seamless flow of information from one topic to another. So, how can we structure our workshops to achieve these goals? Let me share some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on your journey to becoming a successful trainer. 1. Start with an agenda. Begin your workshop by presenting a clear and concise agenda that outlines the topics to be covered and the timeline for each. This provides participants with an overview of what to expect and sets their expectations from the start. 2. Identify learning objectives. Clearly define the learning objectives for each session or module of your workshop. Learning objectives help participants understand what they will achieve by the end of each section and provide a roadmap for the session. 3. Organize content logically. Structure your workshop content in a logical sequence that builds upon previous knowledge and leads to the desired learning outcomes. Start with foundational concepts and gradually move towards more complex topics. This sequential arrangement helps participants grasp the content more easily. 4. Break it down into chunks. Chunk your content into manageable sections or modules. This allows participants to digest the information more effectively and prevents cognitive overload. Each section should have a clear focus and be connected to the overarching theme of your workshop. 5. Incorporate variety. Keep your participants engaged by incorporating a variety of instructional strategies and activities. Alternate between lectures, group discussions, case studies, hands-on exercises, and multimedia elements to cater to different learning styles. This variety helps maintain participants' attention and enhances their learning experience. 6. Provide regular breaks. Breaks are crucial for participants to process information, reflect on their learning, and recharge. Schedule regular breaks between sessions or modules to allow participants to absorb the content and interact with their peers. 7. Encourage active participation. Engage your participants throughout the workshop by encouraging active participation. Incorporate interactive activities such as group exercises, brainstorming sessions, or role plays that require participants to actively engage with the content and apply their knowledge. 8. Recap and reinforce. Periodically recap key points and concepts covered in previous sections. This helps reinforce learning and ensures participants stay on track with the workshop's objectives. Use visual aids, quizzes, or discussions to review and solidify participants' understanding. 9. End with a summary and action plan. Conclude your workshop with a summary of the key takeaways and a clear action plan. Summarize the main points covered and emphasize how participants can apply their newly acquired knowledge and skills in their personal or professional lives. Remember, structuring a workshop is an iterative process. Continuously seek feedback from your participants to gauge their understanding and make necessary adjustments to enhance the workshop's impact. So, it's time to structure your workshops for maximum impact and seamless information flow. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the secrets of effective evaluation techniques for trainers.